Welcome guys, in this video I am with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'm going to show you overview of this natural TPU Pro case from Nillkin. So let's go inside. Okay, and that's the case. It feels good. It's not flexible like this silicone case. So probably on the back we can find plastic. That's why we cannot bend it. But also, yeah, that's the difference. This silicone, it's something different. It's not that easy to bend like in this case. So it's definitely, I guess it's better protection. By the way, that's the $2 case, so I cannot expect anything like super protection from this kind of the case, but let's focus on this one. As you can see right here, we have the sticker right here and right here, and of course we have to remove it before putting on the phone. That's the big cutout for the cameras, and that's the good point, because on this model I have separate glass for each lens, but on the S23 I have this one top. And with this kind of the cutouts, I wasn't unable to use my case because it was bending like that when I put it on the phone. So good to remember about that. Let's try to put it on. Okay, it's very easy to put it on actually. Let's take a look right here. For the cutouts, quick access for our S Pen, easy to remove and to put it on. USB-C port, that's the speaker. At the top we can find the microphone, the buttons. Here we can find the volume up, volume down. They are working. Power key, everything is fine. That's how a phone looks with this case. Let's try to remove it. Okay, it was also easy to take it off. So yeah, I guess that's all. That's how this Nillkin case looks on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It's a really good case. It's cheap. And I guess it's also well made. There is no any bad quality on this case. And there is also additional grip, as you can see, to hold it a little bit safer. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.